Hi, today we're going to take down unboxing review at Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy Micromasters. Red Heat and Stakeout. Now, Stakeout kind of reminds me of, I can't remember his name, but it's from the first Transformer movie, where he was like, "Are you Samurai Wiki Lover Boy 1223?" And it's like, what just happened? And it's like, "Are you Samurai Wiki Lover Boy 123?" It's like, did that car just talk to me? Did that car just transform? You know, it's like, what's going on here, you know? It kind of reminds me of that one. I can't remember the name of that transformer. I know it's not Prowl. It's not Prowl, but, yeah. And then, Red Heat kind of reminds me of a mess-up mash type of crash between, um, Inferno, which I always thought that was just kind of stupid and also funny. Like, you have a fire hydrant and fire truck, not fire hydrant, but a fire truck named Inferno. If it was named Hydro or something like that, where it puts out fires, it'd be funny. But its name implies that it starts fires, which is kind of funny. A fire truck named Inferno, yeah. Also, kind of reminds me of Transformers Rescue Bots, Heat Wave, because Heat Wave, and you have Red Heat. I guess red comes from White Alert, which but that was yeah. But Red Alert was an ambulance, which was kind of like somewhat the updated version of Ratchet. So yeah. So it's a little fire truck and a police car. So what do these combine into for their weaponized mode? They form the Biner Boost Savage Blaster. That's right. Biner Boost Savage Blaster. Say that 5 times fast. Nope, you can't? Yep, neither can I. So, yep. Pretty good artwork there in them in vehicle mode. So, 4 steps to transform. Ooh, let's get the camera clean up a little bit. There we go. 4 steps to transform. Stay out. 9 for Red Heat. They are WFC S19. So apparently this is the 19th Transformers toy in the lineup. So yeah, we're already on 19. Don't know about the other ones because they've been releasing them. It was like release 1, 2, and 3, but release 7, 8, 9. But what about 4, 5, 6? Oh no, 4, 5, 6 comes out in like wave 5 or wave 3. It's like, what? But yeah, that's how they're apparently doing them. So it doesn't continue in order like 1, 2, 3. Then here's toy, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. But what about 4, 5, 6? No, that comes out in wave 2. So you have part wave 1, and the rest of wave 1, which should have been wave 3, but wave 2, and the parts that should have been in wave 2 are in wave 2. It just doesn't really make any sense. Anyway, here's what they build for their weaponized mode, which is the Biner Boost Savage Blaster. Stupid freaking horrible name is what I'm calling that. Anyway, let's get this on bots. Tail at it. Now I'm noticing that they're using less tape on packages, which is kind of a good thing. So I guess the toy Tommy said, "Hey, Hasbro, grow up, stop being immature. You don't need to use like a whole roll of tape on every single product. One roll of tape could last you like maybe 50 or 60 products, to tape them together." Now this one's a little bit tricky to kind of get it open. So let's get this open. There we go. So let's kind of get our little instructions. Open up here.